One of the most genius ways of making money is taking a proven product and changing the form factor. What are some examples? How about this, or this? You may have already noticed by now that I'm not about reinventing the wheel on this show. I want to take what's working and copy and paste it. And sometimes you can copy and paste it with an upgrade if you just change the form factor. For example, vitamins are fine, but some people don't like swallowing pills. They'd prefer a gummy. Same ingredients, same product, different form factor. From gummy to powder, powder to gummy. You want caffeine? How about in gum, or a drink, or a powder, or jerky? You get the idea. But how do we promote these products? Or better yet, how do we see if there's any demand for these products with its new form factor before spending a ton of money? Because it is not cheap to start these businesses. Well, traditionally, you would have to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars for every video. You post ads with those videos or still images. You see if people click on them, do they like them? And then you go to the research and development phase and start to build those products out. That was still a lot better than just having an if you build it, they'll come attitude. You're still testing it before you launch a product, but it costs hundreds and thousands of dollars to put these beautiful images or videos together that look kind of like this. But now we have AI. We have AI image and video generation tools like Higgsfield. Higgsfield has been my favorite lately because you can use all kinds of different image and video generation models within one platform. So today, I'm going to show you how to generate beautiful, gorgeous images and videos inside Higgsfield, whether you're changing a form factor or not, so you can use these images and videos to test a product or a service before having to actually invest a bunch of money into it. So not only am I going to be showing you how to use these cool image and video generation tools on Higgsfield, but I'm also going to be giving you some very specific business ideas and product ideas that I just love, and I'm going to save the best for last. And please steal my homework, steal these ideas. These are the types of ideas that someone's going to launch eventually, so why not make it you? All right, and I'm going to start with Nano Banana, which is a Google product. I have a couple other videos about it, and I love it. So I'm logged into Higgsfield.ai right now, and I'm going to click on Nano Banana Pro Gallery. I just want to see what people are doing. I want to get inspired. Okay, very cool, very cool. Okay, so let's generate some images. I'm going to go to Image, Create Image, and I'm going to land right here. Now, right here on the dropdown, we can choose which model that Higgsfield uses to generate these images. Some of these are Higgsfield models, and some of them are other companies' models like Google's Nano Banana. So let's go to Nano Banana Pro. And I have had this business or product idea that I cannot get out of my head, and that's rucking, right? If you don't know what rucking is, it's putting on a vest or a backpack with a bunch of weights in it and walking around looking like an idiot. I do it. My wife does it and has great health benefits. And if you look at Google Trends right here, it's exploding in popularity. But the problem that I see with rucking as a business is that they all are black and they're ugly and they're very expensive. And I don't want to walk around wearing what looks like a tactical vest. And I know that women don't either, yet I see them at the park all the time. I'm not seeing any rucking vests or backpacks that are, for lack of a better word, cute, attractive, great for women, pink, colorful. Why not? Why aren't they there? It's because we're still early. So you can steal this idea from me. Here's my prompt to make an image with Nano Banana Pro inside Higgsfield. Because if we create professional images or videos, then it provides us with instant credibility. It doesn't look like some janky thing that I'm testing with Facebook ads, which is exactly what I'm doing, but I don't want it to look like that to everyone that sees my ads. Here's my prompt. Fit woman wearing an attractive rucking vest made of female colors. I don't know what female colors are. Don't judge me, please. I don't know what I'm talking about here. With great design on an outdoor hiking trail, mountains in the background, text says, start rucking without looking like a sniper. Energetic and motivational mood. Okay, we've got Nano Banana Pro chosen as the model. It's going to cost us 2 credits to generate this, and let's see what it comes up with. All right, here's the image. Took about 8 seconds. Start rucking, without looking like a sniper. Beautiful. Looks real. Looks real to me. Her skin has like some complexion to it. It looks like she had a sunburn or something, and it's peeling off. Like, this is very, very realistic. One problem is you can't really see the vest itself. So I'm going to change the prompt a little bit. I kept the prompt the same and I added, it should show her walking away so you have a clear shot of the back of the rucking vest and you can see that it's light pink in color. All right, this is awesome. This is awesome. You can't see her face. It still looks realistic. You see more of the trail. There's no quotations in the text, which I prefer. You got different colors in there. It's a pink backpack. It's cute. Start rucking without looking like a sniper. And it looks like there's even a Lululemon logo on her leggings. So I love it. Man, this makes me want to start a rucking business and use this exact ad. Like, this is good. This is a business you will see. Are you going to start it or someone else? It's not AI gibberish. This could be a YouTube thumbnail, a social media post, email header. Options are endless. All right. Now, one thing I love about Higgsfield is you can change the visual style of the picture. You don't just have to rely on whatever the default is. So what you're seeing right here is general. I want to see what the iPhone style looks like because those are performing really well in paid ads right now. So I'm just going to change it to iPhone and then click generate again. Okay, here are the kind of cell phone filter versions. Don't know how I feel about that backpack, but it does look more realistic, like this was taken with a cell phone. Let's see what the selfie filter looks like. Cool, looks great. I know I kind of gave Higgsfield a lot to work with, asking for a selfie and for it to be from behind so you could see the backpack, but you got like a fisheye lens here, beautiful mountains in the background. It's done everything I've asked it to do. Let's see if we can generate some AI videos. I've got another idea. You're going to think this is dumb, but I'm a cyclist. And I recently read a study that said that basically all the health benefits that road cyclists get from cycling are negated due to all the fumes that we're breathing in as we sit there at stoplights behind cars and trucks. So that's kind of depressing, right? So I thought, what can we do about that? Well, I went to Amazon and found these nose filters. They're super weird looking and they're for like flying. And it's kind of like a, COVID era face mask, except just for your nostrils. No one is changing the form factor of this to be sold to cyclists as a health benefit. They're just selling it in this sterile packaging like a Band-Aid. No cyclist would ever think to buy this thing. But what if you went to a race and you got one of those race packets and you got a sample pack of these for free? You'd probably be pretty likely to buy those on a recurring basis from the company that sells them. And remember, because of the fact that we're just changing a form factor, it just means we need to go to Thomasnet, Alibaba, AliExpress, and find any company that makes these and just get different packaging. We don't need a patent. We don't need to reinvent the wheel, research and development. We just need new packaging, which is very simple and cheap to do. So let's generate some freaking videos already. Cyclist wearing small nose filtration plugs, street city background with visible car exhaust, close-up shot showing the discrete plugs, text says, breathe clean while you ride. Modern health tech aesthetic. He's sitting at a red light in traffic surrounded by big trucks. Okay, which model am I going to use? I'm going to use Kling 2.5 Turbo because I have friends that use this for their Facebook ads and say it's amazing. 5 seconds, 1080p. We're going to generate it for 6 credits and let's go. Now, keep in mind that you will have much better results if you upload a reference image, something for Higgsfield to work with. So I'm going to upload this random image I found from Google Images of a cyclist sitting in traffic. Let's see what it comes up with. Now, remember, I'm generating a video of a product that does not even exist yet. This is validation before investment. This is saving a lot of money, is what it is. And just like the image generation models, we can kind of change the vibe of the video. I just chose general, but we can have all kinds of different aesthetics here. Smoke transition, I can fly, firework, animalization, etc., etc. Okay, so here's what we got. First of all, absolutely insane that it took a random image from Google Images and turned it into a video that looks 1000% real. My only beef with this video is the fact that the nose filtration doesn't look anything like the actual product. And why would it? Because I didn't upload a reference image. I'm going to see if we can use their team collaboration feature because I've got an ads guy that I use. And I would love for him to be able to generate all this stuff for me and then me log into my Higgsfield account and just say, all right, change this, edit that, or make my own edits and say, all right, I made some changes to what you did. Go ahead and run with those. So let's see how that works. I'm going to go to Browse Assets, Shared Folders, and I've got a board here that my colleague Molly made, Health and Wellness Brands. And she generated these images, people rucking. That looks awesome. It's got like an avatar vibe there. Looks like she kind of went with athletic greens and changed it into a gummy form. And then, of course, the nose filters. So then I can just come in here and say, hey, let's recreate this. Let's recreate this with some edits or with a different model or with a different filter. Let's say I kind of like this image, but I want to change it to look more like a filter, less like a nose ring. I would just click edit there, and then it would pull up the exact same prompt she used. So I can change it. I can do whatever I want. I can upload references, etc. And what's really cool is if I click into her image and I hover over the image, you'll see this little chat bubble. Click on that. You click on the very, very specific part of the image you want to change and say, hey, let's make this look more like a filter, less like a nose ring, LOL. Hit enter, and then she will immediately see in real time the chat bubble. She'll be able to open it and see what I said there, and she can comment back. That way you're not hopping back and forth between Slack or whatever other messaging service you use. So let's try this now. I'm just going to click this one, then I'm going to click recreate. When you click that, it's going to show the prompt that Molly used, and I can change it. It looks like she didn't specify any colors, so I'm just going to add one sentence to it that says, make sure the vests are both feminine colors, and then I click generate. All right, looks like my prompt worked beautifully. I turned these green rucking vests into pink so they could be more feminine, and that's awesome. Looks like they have a version history in here, so we can kind of see how this visual concept evolved. That way we can be working on all kinds of campaigns at the same time without stepping on each other's feet. All right, now I want to see how frictionlessly I can convert these videos and or pictures into ads. So they have this feature here called click to ad.
I love using this face cream every morning. Keeps my skin soft, hydrated.
Now, let's see if this thing works. So one of the best selling items on Amazon right now is creatine gummies. So I just searched creatine gummies on Amazon. I'm going to pull up this random brand. I'm going to take the link for it, copy it, go back to Higgsfield, paste in the URL, hit continue, and then let's see what it comes up with. All right, right now it's kind of going to Amazon. It's figuring out what it's looking at. Now it's pulling the images out of the link. All right, now it's coming up with some brand colors. I'm pretty sure this is going to be like an entire video ad that comes from simply just pasting a URL in there. Now it's coming up with a logo. Okay, boom. Now we have a full-blown product kit. Got some images in here. It pulled out the brand colors based on the colors in the logo. Now we're going to choose the style of our ad. I'm going to go for luxury here because I want to charge a lot for these. Boom. Let's generate a video. All right, this should take a few minutes. See, the point of doing this is to try to reverse engineer other winning products. So if I think that I could be successful selling a different type of creatine gummy, I don't want to start from zero. I don't want to start from scratch. I want to use someone else's template and then kind of make it my own, if you will. For instance, if someone was using a best-selling creatine gummy that was just for the general population, I might want to take that and unbundle it and sell it to female ultramarathon runners, right? Or elderly CrossFitters. I don't know, guys. There's no bad ideas here. I just know that the more niche you go, the more you can charge and the more you can stand out. Now, if you want to find out how much these companies are selling on Amazon, you can use a tool called Jungle Scout. It's a little expensive, but they have a 30-day free trial, so you can cancel right after you sign up. This is not an ad for them, but I've used them in the past a ton, and it's quite incredible. It has a Chrome extension, and it will show you exactly how many units and how many dollars worth of product any given brand or product sells every month. And so if I see a brand is selling $1 million a month of a generic creatine gummy, I'm going to take that and just brand it towards endurance cyclists or whatever. Now, if I want to post these videos as ads to Facebook or Instagram, I want 3 to 5 different versions of the video. Maybe each version is just that niche that I'm targeting. Male tennis players, female ultramarathon runners, whatever. The branding looks the same. Everything's the exact same except the audience that I'm selling it to. Or the audience is the same, say 30-something golfers, but I want to change the colors up or change the messaging or the pricing. You can do that with just a few clicks within Higgsfield.
Discover mixed berry creatine gummies.
Okay, that's really dang good.
To fuel strength, speed recovery, and support memory. Enjoy convenient, delicious performance every day.
We can edit it. We can edit the transcript. We can edit anything we want about this. But for the first pass, that's pretty dang good. So I'm going to go ahead and make a couple different variations of this. I'm going to use simple UGC, which stands for user-generated content. That's kind of like a testimonial or an unboxing video. I'm going to see what that one looks like. And then I really want to see what this viral chaos version looks like. So let's try that as well. So both of these should be generating at the same time. I can show them all side by side.
I switched to Force Factor creatine gummies. They're delicious mixed berry, and each serving gives me 5 grams of creatine. They make it easy to build strength, recover faster, and even keep my focus dialed in. All
right, what I love about this video is that she pulls the gummy out, she holds it up closer to the camera, and the camera actually refocuses as it gets closer to the lens. You can see like the sugar crystals on the outside of the gummy, which is just brilliant. She looks real. She kind of has that AI voice, which is my only complaint, and it's a small one. But she's holding the product, and like I didn't prompt it at all. I just put in a URL from Amazon, and it took everything from there. She even quotes the nutritional facts on the back of it.
workouts with Force Factor Creatine Gummies. 5 grams of creatine in every mixed berry bite to build muscle, boost strength, speed recovery, and keep your focus dialed in. Ready, set, grow. And fuel workouts with...
All right, that was freaking good. I think that's my favorite.
Discover mixed berry creatine gummies. 5 grams per serving to fuel strength, speed recovery, and support memory. Enjoy convenient, delicious performance every day.
All right, that looked incredible,
Berry creatine gummies.
especially right there. She looks very real. So I love all 3 of these, but I like the viral chaos the most, especially if I were selling this to like the CrossFit community.
Force Factor Creatine Gummies. 5 grams of creatine.
It looks unhinged. It looks crazy. It looks like someone spent a lot of money on editing here. All right, so my verdict, Higgsfield is pretty rad. I've only played around with a few of their features, the Teams collaboration feature, the Nano Banana Pro for professional content, the click to add feature, but they also have like brand opportunities built in, affiliate opportunities. So if you ever want to build like a health brand or any direct to consumer business or e-commerce business, to me, this seems like an awesome place to do it because you can test and iterate much faster, much more affordably than any other platform that I've found so far. You can find a link to Higgsfield.ai in the description, and let me know in the comments what you're thinking of building with this. We'll see you next time on the Koerner office.